Mr. Rogan Gadge, you are from which state?
Sir, Maharashtra. I'm from Maharashtra state.
Good. Now, what is your qualification?
Sir, I have completed my post graduation in MBA, which is finance. I have taken as a major and marketing as a minor. And about my graduation, sir, I have completed my civil engineering.
Acha. Which year did you complete your post graduation?
Sir, 2021.
You have been working since then, or you have been preparing for exams?
Sir, after my post graduation, I got a job in Finara Capital, which is a NBFC, as a branch credit analyst. For there, I had worked for 10 months, but after that, I resigned and started doing preparation for the exam.
Why did you resign?
Uh, Sir, the first reason was company suddenly decided that in one region they require only 6 branches. So I was working in a Nasik, and in Nasik there was a 2 branches, and in Pune region there was a 7 branches. So they decided that we will collab the both branches in Nasik, and they require only one credit analyst there. So they told me that you have to go to the Mumbai, but sir, they were not paying the good amount to me.
They were
So
giving
the
the
first
same,
reason was
they wanted to pay the same salary there also.
same, same, sir, same.
What was the salary
Not
they were?
even 100 rupees they have raised. Sir, it was in ad it was 20, sir, 20K, 20,000.
In native place, okay, you can manage, not in outstations. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So you
And
you
it was,
tell
sir, in Mumbai, so
you tell this as a reason, and
yes, sir.
because they are asking for people who are resigning. Why they are resigning and stating that many boys are studying even with work. Why are you not
Were-
studying and working? So you manage that question nicely.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I told
Now
them, sir, at least increase a little bit amount. They wanted me to do work in Mumbai, sir. In a metro city like Mumbai, it is not feasible for
minim,
me to work there with the
minim,
same salary.
minimum 40,000 rupees will be required.
Yes,
Minimum
sir.
40 to 50,000. Yeah, doesn't matter. कोई बात नहीं. Now, for this interview, what have you prepared?
Sir, I have prepared only the basic part of the credit because I have seen that in a group they are asking more focus on the basic instead of deep knowledge about
Eh,
credit.
ऐसा नहीं है, but from today they have started asking tougher questions. You are aware? Al-
Yes, I have seen
Yeah, they have
that
started
goodwill
asking.
question was
Yeah, good,
very.
very tough. Goodwill question. I don't know the answer, honestly.
Sir, I
That,
also first time read that thing.
yeah, goodwill
I know there are
adjustment,
various steps.
adjustment in balance sheets. It's a very tough one. And then about, of course, other questions are all easy, but uh, they are asking slightly on a tougher side also. Doesn't
Yes,
matter.
sir. Now
Doesn't
on
matter.
they are going on that way.
Yeah, let us go for that one. Now let me see what you are getting.
Okay, sure, sir.
Why should we select you?
So the reason behind selecting me as a credit officer in your bank, that is, PNB is looking for a credit officer who is good at communication, who can read the financial statement very well. As I have 10 months of work experience in credit analysis, so I know very well that how to read the financial statement, how to do the appraisal, desk appraisal, how to do the personal discussion with the client, and how to approve the files and cases of the credit. So I am aware about very well
In your
the entire
previous
process of the credit,
in
sir.
in your previous company, what was the nature of work you were doing?
Uh, Sir, mine work was to take the decision that should I approve this case or not, sir, as a branch credit analyst.
So what were the factors you were looking into to decide that?
Sir, the first process starts from the loan officer when he completed the application of the borrower. Then that application goes to the credit central credit system where they used to check the KYCs, but it was not that right after they approve the cases to the us, which is at the branch level. So first, sir, I used to do the desk appraisal of the every case, whichever case I used to get. So I used to check the all KYC documents. Then I used to verify on a website are those are true or not. Then I used to do the very well analysis of the bank statement of every borrower. And after that, I visit to the premises of the borrower. Then I used to do the personal discussion with them, how your business works and how you started. Now, what are your expectation in future? And who are your buyers and sellers? So the entire process I used to analysis, sir, and on the basis of that, I approve the loan.
No. See,
Where
whatever you are telling was general officer. I want from the
okay,
angle of a credit officer, from the balance sheet, from the profit and loss account, from the trading account, from their books से क्या आप चाहते हैं, देखते हैं, कोसते हैं.
sir, actually, company is basically following the fintech software, which is MyKinara. So what they used to do after getting cases in my system, I used to mostly check the balance bank statement of the borrower, sir. The other factor
अच्छा
they
अच्छा
used to do that.
अच्छा you were looking after advances for individuals for buying of scooter, car, and all that. Is that it? What you were telling, or
No, sir.
you were
It is for business loans, sir.
then
There was
business
only
loan?
one product, business loan.
बिजनेस लोन होगा तो आपको बैलेंस शीट वगैरह देखना पड़ेगा ना.
Yes, sir. But sir, those were sir micro and small enterprises. So they were not making their statements because the loan amount is up to only 30 lakhs, sir. So they were just we are working on our bank statement. The transaction are going cash inflow, cash outflow.
Okay.
So those were
Suppose
things there, sir.
this is child's this is child's job. Supposing you are a credit officer, you have to scrutinize the balance sheet and all that, and the loan amount is
Yes.
1 crore, 1 crore, 20 lakhs, etc. आप क्या देखेंगे?
Sir, first I will check in a balance sheet that what is the capital and the equity percentage that is in a balance sheet. Then what are the current asset and non-current asset of the bank. Then after that, the advances of the loan which is taken by the
No, no.
uh,
Instead
borrower.
of instead of telling like this, as a person who has studied MBA, you can tell first I
Yes,
will
sir.
look into debt equity ratio. Debt is the total amount of borrowing by the government company and the equity that they have put in. I will find out this. A normal good ratio is 1.5 or is to 2.
Yes.
Then I will go for a current ratio. Current ratio is this. इसमें ऐसा होने से अच्छा है. Then
Mm,
I will also check up
above 1 crore.
about the debtor sales turnover ratio, then creditors turnover ratio. Then I will also look into profit, whether it has been rising steadily, then whether the sale has been rising steadily. Then I will go through DSCR. Like that, आपने एक कॉमर्स का आदमी का अभी बात करना है. आप जो बात करते हैं तो लोग कॉमन मैन जैसे बात करते हैं ऐसा बात करने से चलेगा? बोल.
No, sir, no, sir.
So थोड़ा every word you are using should be commerce term. Every aspect you are covering should be MBA level.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
ये थोड़ा माइंड में ट्यून कर दीजिए. पहले पहले बार हमने ये नहीं बताया आपको, क्या ये सब क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा आपसे?
Nice, sir. Actually, sir, first time you forget to take my interview. Then I told you you were taking the interview of the another person. Then I told you that today is my interview, and then you started taking it.
And I asked only HR questions.
No, sir. You asked me about what is the NDTL, what is CRR, SLR, all those questions you asked me
अच्छा अच्छा, बैंकिंग रिलेटेड
regarding
ओनली है.
credit. Yeah, seven. Then 7C is what is the 7C? How are you going to appraisal a term loan?
Hmm. Then regarding
You asked
credit,
the credit question also.
very good. Then no problem. Good. But isko thoda answer, not that what you said is wrong. You must remember
Yes,
the interview is going to be only 10 minutes. And within those 10 minutes, we should create an excellent impression.
right. Precise
So
answer.
every word we are talking should be related to the question directly.
Sure, sure, sir. Sure, sir. Got it.
समझ गया? Good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Please talk to me about current ratio. What do you know about current ratio?
Sir, the current ratio, which is we use to assess what is the working capital requirement for the bank or for the borrower. So, in which we divide the current asset with the current liability, in which we check the ideal ratio should be above 1.33. If the current ratio is above 3, then we can conclude that the company has a lot of asset, but company cannot utilize those assets very well.
1.33 is to 1 होने से अच्छा है. So you should say current assets divided by current liabilities. The ideal ratio is 1.33. इतना बोलने से हो जाएगा. Why do you have to say about
Okay.
working capital and all that? तो जरूरत नहीं. How is
Sir,
net worth
directly should
calculated?
I
हाँ, directly, crisply answer देना है.
formula?
हंस के देना है. You should smile at them and then tell the answer.
Okay,
But
okay. I
yeah,
thought
but you
I
can,
have to explain it.
but with, no, after telling this, if they are still keeping quiet, then you can say, sir, this we do it before giving working capital facilities so that we can find the
Okay,
working capital gap. ऐसा कुछ words आपने use करना है. समझे?
sure, sir.
एक
I thought
एक
if
पार्टी को तो
directly I say,
1.33 हो गया तो फाइन, उनको हम लोग क्रेडिट फैसिलिटी देना जरूरत नहीं है, वो तो अपना एडजस्ट कर देते हैं. बट हमारा
Mhm.
रिक्वायरमेंट कैसे आएगा? जिसका पार्टी का पास में 0.8 है, उसमें शॉर्टफॉल पड़ता है. कितना शॉर्टफॉल है उतने से कितना हम लोग दे सकते हैं. तब टर्नओवर रेशियो, टर्नओवर मेथड, देन टैंडन कमिटी 1-2 मेथड, समथिंग लाइक दैट, उसको रिलेट करके बात करना है. सही है?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I thought, sir, directly saying the ratio would,
नो नो नो
they
नो
will say that it is the
नो नो
formula.
नो नो फॉर्मूला उसको कैसे एनालाइज करेंगे ये बताना है.
Okay,
खाली
okay, okay, sir.
खाली अपने का फॉर्मूला बोल के, सर व्हाट इज करंट रेशियो? करंट रेशियो सर, करंट असेट डिवाइडेड बाय करंट लायबिलिटीज. नेक्स्ट
Liability.
क्वेश्चन व्हाट सर? इफ यू आस्क लाइक दैट, दैट इज ओनली रॉन्ग. समझ गया?
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
हाउ इज नेट वर्थ कैलकुलेटेड फॉर अ कंपनी?
Mm, so the net worth is normally basically calculated from the revenue, whatever the revenue is company is generating. From that
Wrong,
we
wrong,
minus the all expense.
wrong. Net worth means total assets minus intangible assets.
Total assets. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sorry.
Or total liabilities minus outside liabilities. That will tell you the net worth. समझ गया? You
Yes, sir.
understand
Yes,
the
sir. Got it.
concept. Yeah, very good.
Got it, sir. Wrote, sir.
Yeah. Please tell me about PE ratio.
Sir, P ratio. It is, sir, price to equity ratio, which where we check.
No. PE ratio expansion,
Mm,
wrong. Wrong.
okay, okay.
Price to earnings ratio. आपने क्या बोला?
Oh, sir, sorry, equity ratio. I confused with the debt to equity ratio.
No. But I know I was not able to clearly understand. Price to earnings, correct. Price to earnings. What are the key takeaway points regarding that?
Sir, whatever means from price to earning ratio, we come to know that the what is the value of the company that the investor has invested in it, that what is the price and how much we invested and how much we are earning from it.
Okay, now please read this. Whether your answer is corresponding with this. Please read.
Sure.
The price to
Yeah.
earnings ratio.
So the key takeaway part, no?
This one, yeah. Oh, sorry. चला गया. हाँ. Please read.
Sure, sir.
The price to earnings ratio.
The price to earning ratio is the proportion of company's share price to its earning per share. The high PE ratio could mean that a company stock is overvalued or that investor accept high growth rates. Companies with no earning or are losing money don't have PE ratio because there is nothing to put in the denominator. The two most used PE ratios are forward and trailing PE. PE ratios are most valuable when comparing similar companies in the same industries on for a single company over time.
So this point you did not tell. Last point. And
Yes, sir.
the first point also you did not tell, but some other points you covered. Anyhow, please prepare like this properly, and then
Sure.
you must be able to tell nicely. Not that what you told was wrong. I am not satisfied with whatever you are giving. That is the problem.
Okay. That is important also.
Yeah. You will succeed, but
Yes, sir.
हमारा recommendation थोड़ा ज्यादा लगता है. अभी देखो और कुछ
Sure,
नया
sir, sir.
क्वेश्चन है. नया क्वेश्चन आया जी इधर. Explain interest coverage ratio.
Yes, sir. In interest coverage ratio, we check the how company is able to it's like in debt service coverage ratio, how company has capacity to complete his to pay his interest, sir. From interest coverage ratio, we calculate that value.
अच्छा से बोलो. Why are you not telling openly, correctly? पूरा enjoy करके बात करो ना. कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है.
Yes.
You told this. Next question. What is LTV, low or high, which is good for bank?
Sir, loan to value ratio, sir. Loan to value ratio means how much loan we are going to give to the borrower against the collateral he has given to us. So, in that, sir. Yes, sir.
Answer the question.
Sir, in that, sir, loan to value ratio, usually banks give 75%. If it is lesser side for the bank, then it is feasible for it, because in future we don't know how much amount we are going to get after selling that collateral value.
You want to say LTV should be low?
Sir, from lending point of view, I would say yes, sir.
Wrong.
Because if it is
wrong, loan to value should be higher. The loan, if it is what we are giving is 100, and the value, it should be lower. Correct. What you said is right.
It should be low, sir.
The low, it should be low. Supposing we are giving 200 lakhs and the value is 100 lakhs. So it will be what? Loan is 200 divided by, loan is 100 divided by value 200. So less होने से अच्छा है. Good. हम भी confuse कर दिया. हमने
Yes,
सोचा high होना है. Good. I appreciate. I will
Sir,
give
because
you.
in future we don't know na
I will give you full.
value.
I will give you high marks for this. What is the next question? Difference between mortgage
Thank
and
you, sir.
hypothecation.
Sorry, sir, I didn't get your question.
What
Difference
is
between
difference
mortgage and
between hypothecation?
yes, sir. Sir, the difference between mortgage and hypothecation is, sir, the both are the types of the charges. The mortgage charge is applied on the immovable property, where the hypothecation is charged on the movable property. In both cases, sir, the possession of the property or whatever the machine which we are taking, in hypothecation we take machine, the possession with is the borrower, and in the mortgage case, the possession with is the borrower. In the both cases, the possession with is with borrower.
Correct.
The
Good.
major difference is, sir, that
Not bad.
it
Not
is
bad. Not bad, but sufficient. Thank you.
okay,
Thank
sir.
you
Thank you.
so much. Best wishes. You did well. I will give you 8
Yes, sir.
point because I committed one mistake there. I will increase it 0.5. 8.5 out of 100. Sorry, out of 10.
Yes, sir. Yes. Last time also you gave me 8 points, sir.
I am giving you 8.5 out of 10, and I will select you if you have written well to your test also. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I have a few questions regarding that.
Yeah.
Sir, means once I enter in the hall, so that is the basic that we say good morning first to
No,
ladies. So
no.
should I say good morning to?
No, good morning. When you enter, you can say नमस्कार ऐसा बोल के जाइएगा, वो लोग अपना हिंदी में क्वेश्चन पूछेगा.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
निगारिका अग्रवाल को वो लोग पूरा पूरा 100% हिंदी में ही बात किया.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So should I do it namaskar to each and everyone or namaskar to all?
No. You can say namaskar ji, namaskar ji. Ji will include one person or 2-3 persons. Should we say namaskar ji? Or
No, no.
simply say, simply wish and could tell them namaskar. Namaskar.
Okay,
ऐसे बोल
okay,
के
sir.
जाइए,
Okay, sir.
बस खत्म. Okay.
Sir, there is one more query. Which color of tie should I wear, sir?
What are the color is you are preferring?
Uh, I have read, but I'm not. I don't think so that would be great if I go with that.
Next.
Red and blue I have, sir.
I would recommend light color. If light color is not there, choose dark blue. That's okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Best wishes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Excellent. So it's stop. Now I should stop recording.